What's up, everybody? I'm John with the Roadster Shop. We're sitting here with the '69 Camaro AXIS. Bit of a long-term build. Customer brought it back for some routine maintenance, which we thought what a great opportunity to recap the build and kind of take a look at how these things look after being on the road after a few miles. Starting off, we're on a Roadster Shop FAST TRACK chassis. We got a narrowed 9-inch in the rear. Sitting on 1552 wheels here. We got a 265 in the front, 345 in the back. So really the whole concept of this car as it came together was just a badass street fighter, no frills. So we're looking at, you know, this sort of matte gray paint throughout the car. Everything's kind of stripped off of it. Trim's gone, flushed in glass. You know, again, just keeping that super tough styling, especially of the time for 10 years ago. All the body mods that you see are actually not sheet metal on this car. This was something we don't do often, but again, for the rigidity, the toughness, a car that we know is going to be driven. Every one of those pieces is made out of 1/4-inch aluminum and built into the body itself. These sort of aerodynamic mirrors, I'd be lying if I said who knew they came from, but you know, it's just a cool looking mirror that's very sporty. Moving through, we use these door handles often, so like a GM electric door latch. The function's great. You don't have to slam these doors. It's all on electric pads to pop these doors. You'll see we're running a 19 square on those wheels that we talked about. And really, as you get to the back is where you see the bulk of a lot of that custom metal work. All this aluminum sheet metal on the lower valance with the exhaust protruding through. Even the spoilers all kind of made the same way and fabricated. And again, it's just a super stripped down, tough looking car. Moving into the interior, I mean, you really kind of see that theme come to life and carry through here. You know, everything's kind of motorsports inspired. Every single thing has a purpose. You know, everything's blacked out and just kind of tough looking. So, you know, we got these super clean, smoothed out motorsports inspired door panels, little simple handle pulls, closure. Recaro seats here, obviously very comfortable, even though he does drive this thing in Brooklyn, believe it or not. Terrible roads, but it's still a very comfortable vehicle. Again, we've got our vintage air stuff, things you see all the time. Push button start, this Sparco steering wheel. These Autometer spec gauges are actually pretty rad in this thing. It's not something that we get a chance to use often, but they look just super badass in the dash. Simple little sheet metal center console here for your window switches and shifter, and that's it. Nothing else in this thing. No electronics, nothing special. Just everything you need to drive the car and nothing more. Little hidden Fosgate radio in here. Still got to have some sound while you're on the road, but tucked away so it's not even eating up the dash. Our custom billet pedal assembly, which again is still something that we use to this day. So once again, just a testament to how good these vehicles last after 10 years on the road. Simple blacked out back seat and headliner, you know, just really feel like you want to rip in this car and just get after it. So I think it executed front to rear, top to bottom, inside and out, exactly what we were trying to convey here with this build. So we'll come up here. We got these, you know, cool aero latches. I think they're pretty common nowadays. You'll see them. So under the hood, like I said, a very no frills vehicle. Everything has a purpose. Everything's right in your face. We didn't really try to hide too much, but just put it together in a very acceptable, easy to get to area. Like I said, it's a driven car, so maintenance is key here. It does have our carbon fiber inner wheel tubs. I actually think this is one of the earliest iterations of these wheel tubs that customers are now buying on our chassis. Big old Baer brakes, standard LT4, PWR radiator, all these products that you're still seeing on all these builds. This really shows just how good they are. Like I said, 10 years on the road. Alex is driving this thing all the time. He's taking it on road tours. There's really just no comparison to these products. We're still running them today, and that's a testament to just how good they are. So you may have seen the car over the last 10 years on the road, in magazines, or even at SEMA, but we never really got a chance to show you the details. So hopefully this gives a little detailed look at the build overall. And while you can get multiple chassis for this platform with the spec and the fast track, they're both comparable and shows just how reliable this chassis is after 10 years on the road. So go Roadster Shop, check out our chassis, and get one for your build.